So guys, thank you for watching Flourish with Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe so you will see more videos like this. And please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to unbox this. Let's see, let's open.
Open sesame.
Open sesame.
Amazon.
Yeah. So as you can see guys, this is you can see it. It's a new one. Okay, so guys, this is barbecue cover. So this barbecue can go outside and cover it so it doesn't wear and tear.
Dust free.
Dust free and rain free. Wet free. So that is the instruction for the barbecue. Square charcoal barbecue.
Yeah, from Wilco.
From Wilco. Okay. So this one. Oh, is this from Wilco as well then?
From Amazon.
Oh, quite huge.
It won't be an exact fit, it's just
So how to do that? Oh, so it's like this. Oh, see. It's so this one. I'll put this at the back. Okay. So this. Let's go. Oh, so it's too big, darling.
yeah. Okay.
It is too big. Far too big.
10 pounds, which was less than the other sizes, so
It's drowned.
doesn't matter.
Yeah. So anyway, you just have to do it like this, like that. Yeah. So, voila. It fits.
More than fits.
So that, so that is the cover. So let's put this like this, like that. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love.